Upgrade your comfort with our foldable floor chair, designed for relaxation, meditation, and everyday use. With its adjustable back support and thick, padded cushion, this chair ensures comfort for long hours of sitting, whether you're reading, watching TV, gaming, studying, or practicing meditation. Crafted with a stainless steel frame, it's strong, rust-free, and built to last. The soft cotton fabric makes it breathable and comfortable in all seasons, while the lightweight design, only 1.7 kilograms, makes it easy to carry and move around. Its fully foldable design allows for quick storage and portability, perfect for apartments, living rooms, or outdoor use. Enjoy the perfect balance of style, durability, and comfort in one chair.
Advantages of our floor chair. Fully foldable and portable, carry it anywhere with ease, folds flat for quick storage. Adjustable back support, perfect for meditation, posture correction, or just relaxing. Ultimate comfort, thick padded seat and wide backrest keep you comfy for long sitting. Multi-purpose use, ideal for reading, watching TV, gaming, studying, or working. Indoor and outdoor friendly, great for living rooms, apartments, picnics, or garden use. Durable build, strong stainless steel frame, rust-free, and long-lasting. All-season fabric, soft cotton material keeps you cool in summer and cozy in winter. Lightweight design, only 1.7 kilograms, easy to move anywhere.